Okay, so Mom, Dad's untying that rope and he's going to throw it onto board, see like we just did, and then the boat's going to start turning that way. Dad has to hop on, and
on it. Okay, let go.
And there's the sail. Woo!
Yeah, I was aiming at it.
Oh yeah, I see it
right now.
So am I supposed to go, is that a green one over there to the right?
To the right, yeah, that's the one we were looking at.
So it's red right on the right in this place here. Well, we're in a becalm, I guess. We're getting about a knot over ground, I think, is what we're getting. So pretty slow. We put the drifter out. That's the big sail. And we're trying to catch us whatever we can. We're getting wind kind of from the bow a little bit, but it's very slow. We've been spending the time smacking flies.
I am. Well, in the huge rainstorm we had a couple days ago, the dinghy is like flooded with water, so I'm trying to empty it. And we just noticed right now.
Yeah, we're barely moving now. We have a zero wind, so David's doing a cleanup chore and get rid of the water out of the dinghy. Good job, David.
I think it's pretty much good now.
Okay.
I'll move the battery back.
No.
Come on up, I'll pull you closer. Step up so it doesn't get in the water.
Oh, I did.
Step on the bottom one.
I stepped on the one that's in the water. I'm free.
A wet shoe?
Yeah, one more.
Well, it's getting close to midnight, and you know, this camera doesn't do it justice. It's just beautiful at night with the moon, and you really can navigate by the stars and keep your heading. Even when there's clouds, they're popping in and out. You can kind of see where you are. I was also tracking those white lights in the background are actually on a tanker that's going by, so I could see the red port light. So I tracked it probably as it rounded the bend around Kingston, all the way over to where it passed me.
I'm gonna keep an eye on him. Anyways, pretty quiet. Nice moonlight out tonight. Sails nicely. Very little wind. We're cruising here at we got 3-4 knots of wind and 1.6 knots of boat. And that's my alarm. Setting it every half an hour, just to make sure that I'm not falling asleep. I don't know if you can see him there, but that's a big tanker going by me. So I don't know where he's going, but I hope he keeps going. I can see his red, so it's definitely going by, not getting close to me. I'm still bobbing along here at half a knot with 3 knots of wind. Hanging on. We're doing 6 knots now. 13 knot winds. Super wavy. Everything's making noises. We've got a reef in the main. We've got one reef, and then we've got the furler out just maybe halfway. And yeah, we're basically hitting hull speed here now. Yeah, I see a sailboat out there. He's flying too.
Toronto! Well, that's it right there. Okay, so we're coming up on the Hamilton Harbour. We're going up to the Burlington Lift Bridge, and these waves are kind of crazy. The whole boat's rocking side to side, and yeah, it's gonna be a challenge to get into the channel for the lift bridge because of these waves. So yeah,
We're having fun. You still can't see the entrance. There's like a glare from the sun.
here, David. Whoa. Ah! Holy crappy, that's loud.
Yeah, they honked at us. So we
Yes.
honked back.
That was your honk, Dan?
That was my honk.
Oh my gosh, no wonder it felt like it was right on top of me.
I bet they've waved back by now and they're just watching some random kid be like. Okay, that sounds kind of obvious.
Once we get there, we'll be there.
Woo! Oh, look at all the birds above. We're gonna get. Yeah, is that guy coming back? Is that the same guy or is that a different?
That is the same guy, yeah. Just we've got longer to go.
So we tacked, came back.
There's like no wind in here. We're getting pushed with just wave power right now.
Yeah.
Maybe momentum still. Hey, time to jump off. Hi, Mom.
Hi, David.
Are you feeling sick?
Oh, Daddy cut the motor.
We're coasting, guys. We're coasting.
Yep, we got a headwind in for us tonight. That'll slow us down. That's nice.
Don't hit that boat. And don't hit that boat. Oh, don't
Good.
hit that boat.
Please,
Am I in the way?
It's hooked. Brake is on. Okay, this
That's
one.
that one, yep. Grab that one.
Yes, brake is working. Brake is working.
That's my backup brake.
I got this, Dad. That's okay. I'll pull.
You got it? This one goes here. So this one here, we have to retie.
Here, I'll get the one on this side. Oh, wait, no, there is no one on this side.
Can you send me down a little bit? That way? Okay, thank you. That looks good. And you better get the dock spider there because he looks tremendously awful.
Wait, where is it?
He's in the water now.
You grabbed?
Yeah.
That's amazing. My dad just grabbed the spider.
You know the spider swam over back to you? I saw
Dad,
it
the
swimming.
spider swam.
I swim, At 25 amps draw, they will run for 440 minutes. That's what that means. So when I'm running my motor at 1500 RPM, it's kind of like a normal day, calm. I'm just sort of putt-putting along.